so we have another slime review.
Yay! We have the new Slimy Goop Mixems ready-made fairy slime. The slime is already ready, but it has things that you can add into it. There's some silver glitter.
I want to silver glitter.
There's some silver glitter. There's some gold butterflies. And there's some pink and silver flowers. So let's get started.
What am Audrey Adventures?
Let me start it for you. Whoa. This is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, these are flowers. Here's our slime. Alright. I got you a bigger bowl to mix it in. To mix everything in. Whoa, look at this pretty slime. It's purple. Glittery.
Yeah, I think we should add these in.
Oh, look how pretty that
Let's take
is.
some.
Alright, what do you want to add in first? Let's put it in our mixing bowl. Put some flowers in it first.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what about some butterflies?
Yeah.
Oh look, there's little hearts and stars in it too, little tiny ones. Little tiny hearts and stars and then big butterflies. That's so cute. There we go. Put it in here. And then pour all of it. Save some for later. Okay, what about the glitter? And now we have some silver glitter. It's very powdery. It kind of reminds me of like fairy dust. So pretty and shiny. I'm gonna cut a little slit in the side so that we can pour just a little bit at a time. Wow, that's so pretty.
So pretty.
Get it all mixed up.
This is so pretty. I want to add more of these.
Oh, so pretty. Sparkly. I like the butterflies in it.
This is for us.
Okay. And I'll just pick it up and hold it up the bowl and mix it all together.
Oh. Oh. It's so pretty, guys. It's so purple. It's so purple. Super duper duper pretty. You can see it. Yeah. Look, you can see it now. Look, you can see it now.
Oh, pretty. I see all the butterflies.
See, but it's
Look how much glitter.
but it's on my hair too. Whee! Oh my gosh. This is the best slime ever. Okay, let's put this in there so we can put the slime in there.
This slime is really awesome. It's already made and you just add, mix, and play. It was so easy to make this beautiful purple glittery slime. Look how pretty that is. And it's so stretchy. Oh my goodness. I wonder if we can make bubbles. Whoa.
I hope you sign on over to my other video.
And today's shout outs go to the Thumbs Up Kids,
Thumbs up tips.
Sophiaville, and the Crazy Cuz. If you guys want a chance to have a shout out, make sure you like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, and leave us a comment saying #notification squad so you can join our notification team. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much